Welcome to the closed-circuit asphalt concrete manufacturing complex of BMT Investment and Construction Joint Stock Company. This is the first and largest closed-circuit asphalt concrete manufacturing complex in Vietnam. BMT specializes in the production, supply, and construction of hot mix asphalt with over 30 years of experience since its establishment in 1993. Currently, BMT owns 4 hot mix asphalt plants: Tan Cang plant in Dong Nai province, Dian plant in Binh Duong province, Ben Luc plant in Long An province, and Can Tho plant in Can Tho City. Additionally, BMT possesses an ecosystem that includes Red Import-Export Investment Joint Stock Company, specializing in the import and supply of high-quality bitumen from brands such as Shell, ExxonMobil, SRC, and a tank system with a storage capacity of over 14,000 tons. BMT Engineering and Construction Joint Stock Company, BMT-ENC, responsible for the construction of key transportation projects. BMT Building Materials Production and Trading Joint Stock Company, specializing in the production and supply of high-quality construction stone for asphalt concrete mixing plants, cement concrete, and crushed stone for civil, industrial, and transportation construction projects. And Fat Cooperative, with a massive 75-hectare quarry, specializing in the extraction of stone to supply asphalt concrete plants and transportation projects. Binh Minh Transport Joint Stock Company, which transports construction materials such as crushed stone and hot mix asphalt to mixing plants and construction sites. Now, please follow the hot mix asphalt production process. Operational procedure of the hot mix asphalt concrete plant, Dong Nai branch. Part 1, raw material extraction and processing procedure. Step 1, stone extraction. Stones are extracted from Tan Cang 7 and Tan Cang 9 quarries using a drilling system combined with blasting. Step 2, transportation of stone. After extraction, the stone is loaded onto transport trucks and hauled from the quarry to the crushing system. Step 3, primary crushing. The stones are fed into the Terex crushing system, which operates at a capacity of 500 tons per hour. Here, the stones are crushed into raw material sizes of 20 by 30 millimeters and 40 by 60 millimeters, which are then collected in an automatic hopper system. Step 4, secondary crushing, screening, and classification. From the automatic hopper, the stones are conveyed through a primary cone crusher, followed by a secondary cone crusher for further size reduction into standard stone types. The material is then transferred through the VSI system before being screened into various aggregate sizes: 0.5, 5 by 10, 10 by 16, 16/22. At the locations of the secondary cone crushers and VSI machines, primary dust extraction systems are installed to minimize dust and limit its dispersion, thereby reducing environmental pollution. The extracted dust is stored in silos and supplied to non-fired brick manufacturing plants. Step 5, final screening and classification. The aggregate materials are further transported from the screening system to the double screening cluster via covered conveyor belts. Here, the aggregate materials are screened once more and undergo a second dust extraction process to ensure the dust content, 0.075 millimeters, in the aggregates is less than 3%. In accordance with the Vietnamese standard TCVN 13567-2022, before being transported to the storage yard. The extracted dust is collected in silos and then compressed into small pellets for convenient transport to brick manufacturing plants or for use as fill material. Step 6, storage of finished stone. The standard aggregate is transported from the double screening unit to the stone storage facility via a closed automatic conveyor system. The storage facility is divided into separate compartments with partitions for each type of aggregate, and it is enclosed to limit dust dispersion into the environment. This also ensures that the aggregate remains dry before being fed into the asphalt mixing plant. Part 2. Bitumen Import Procedure. Step 1. Bitumen Import. Bitumen is imported from the international market, specifically Singapore, via maritime transport and stored in a storage facility with a capacity of up to 14,000 tons. Step 2. Quality Control. After arriving at the port via international marine vessels, bitumen undergoes rigorous quality control and sampling procedures. Once the quality is stabilized and meets the required standards, it is transferred to the storage tanks. Step 3. Transportation to the asphalt plant. Bitumen is then transported from the storage facility to our asphalt plant using specialized insulated tank trucks to maintain the required temperature during transit. Step 4. Pumping bitumen into storage tanks at the asphalt plant. After being transported to the asphalt plant, the bitumen is pumped into the storage tank system at the plant. Part 3. Aggregate and bitumen mixing procedure. Video simulation of asphalt plant operation. Aggregate materials are transported from the storage area to the drying drum via an independent underground conveyor system equipped with electronic scales to ensure precise measurement of each type of aggregate as per the design specifications. After entering the drying drum, the aggregate undergoes the mixing process according to our hot mix asphalt plant's operational procedures, ensuring uniform quality in every batch.